This is the ice cream. Oh, it's matched your shirt. How come?
I don't know. Maybe.
Take one and open it. Just one and open it and let people see it. Oh. How's that?
Good.
Good. This is party cups.
Yeah.
Mayfield Creamery ice cream. Homemade vanilla and chocolate. I think the one you eat the chocolate is right. And they have a vanilla. Oh, vanilla right here. Okay, unbox the vanilla too. Just put that aside and unbox the vanilla too. Go ahead.
I like it.
Okay. So you got two. You got chocolate and vanilla. You got double ice cream today. Vanilla.
Well, if I put the vanilla.
Yeah, try the vanilla and tell which one your favorite one. Chocolate, vanilla. Which one?
I like both of them.
You like both of them?
You know,
I can predict the answer.
you know, I could just put the vanilla and the chocolate and mix because it tastes good.
Go ahead. More.
Okay. It's good like that.
Yeah. So somehow it's today because the thing is kind of close to your shirt. The color.
Yeah. I'm gonna paste it on the chocolate.
Cups. But in the summer, if we buy, we need some like cooler so we keep in there. If we stop by somewhere after buying it. Buy one, get one free. The Coke is buy two. This one, the name is
Naked. It looks like a person. It looks like they named the name that is naked, but naked person.
Naked person. La la la. Donut.
Donuts.
Donut.
Donut.
That's fun. Cherry.
Yeah, that's cherry.
Mashed potato. Macaroni and cheese, and then this.
Does it look good like this?
Look good?
Yeah.
You mix this, it look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. Let's go make a... Wow, it's golden, look yummy.
Yeah, it looks yummy.
Done? I think done is right. And then this is a donut, and I think it's fresh, yummy too. Okay, let I'm going to make the warm of the macaroni and cheese, mashed potato. Anh ba we go home. Anh ba didn't know we go home. Okay, bye.